Hi, welcome to our one flooring minute where I try to answer commonly asked flooring questions in less than a minute. How often should I have my carpet cleaned? So most carpet manufacturers require that you have your carpets cleaned usually a minimum every 18 to 24 months to maintain your warranties. This is very similar to having your oil changed in your car or having your tires rotated every 5,000 miles. You have to do it to maintain your warranties from the flooring manufacturers. So our suggestion, sometimes if you have heavy traffic or things, you have to clean more often, maybe 6 months, 9 months, 12 months, depending on how many kids and pets you have. But a minimum is usually every 18 to 24 months. Please read your warranty so that way you do not void your warranty. Also in the interim, we give away free carpet cleaner for everybody that purchases from us. And that's another way to keep it so that way you don't have to worry about spots until you're ready to clean it professionally. So thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.